Hello. This is Jim Kellner. Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. Please don't listen while driving or moving around. It is best experienced while sitting or lying down in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. The purpose of this particular guided meditation is to assist you in learning how to more easily meditate. Once we begin the meditation, every 2 minutes, you will hear a bell like this. At the end of 10 minutes, you'll hear 2 bells like this. If you're just getting started with meditation, you might try to just go for 2 minutes, that first bell. And then every few days or every week or so, you could add another 2 minutes until you get up to 10, and then you can do that one twice a day. If you'd like more information on this and other tools for transformation, please visit KellnerJim.com. And now we begin. And so you can just begin or continue taking some relaxing breaths. You may want to allow your eyes to close, or you may want to fix your attention on an object in the distance. Some people might even like to focus on a candle flame. And as you continue taking deep, relaxing breaths, you can just imagine that every breath in is pulling in all of the goodness from the universe, all of the positive energy, and you might even put a color to that. Breathing in everything that is positive, good, and wonderful from the universe. And then with every exhalation, every breath out, just letting go of any negativity at all. Letting go of all negative thoughts, emotions, anything at all that does not serve you. So pulling in all the positive energy, and then, that's right, breathing out all of the negativity. And you can continue doing that for as long as you'd like. Good. And you may begin to notice that the body starts to relax a bit as you continue breathing in the positivity from the universe and exhaling all negative thoughts and emotions, releasing all thoughts, cares, and concerns as you imagine yourself as a beautiful cup, and you're filling it up with all of the wonderful energy from the universe. And as you continue to fill, it simply pushes out any negativity at all. Breathing in light, happiness, comfort. Breathing out darkness, fear, or sadness. Just like that. In and out. In and out. And you may start to get certain feelings in the body as you relax more and more. And that's good. That's right. You're doing perfectly. Nothing else to think about. Nothing else to do. Simply focusing on yourself in this moment for as long as you'd like to do. Good. Allowing each breath in to come slowly. Allowing each breath out to go even slower. Good. That's right. And we're going to try something interesting now. Something called box breathing. In a moment, you'll breathe into a count of 4. Hold it to a count of 4. Breathe out to a count of 4. And hold that to a count of 4. And so if you will, breathe in now to a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you may want to continue doing this, taking a little bit more time in between each number on your own. So you can continue doing this box breathing for just as long as you'd like to do. Good. And as you continue with that box breathing, I'm going to invite you to think about relaxing the muscles of your body. Starting with the top of your head, going all the way through your scalp, just thinking, relaxing, 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 so that all the muscles of the head and face and even the neck begin to relax more deeply than before. Good. That's right. Just like that, you can continue thinking about the muscles relaxing all the way down the arms, now through the elbows, into the hands and down to the fingertips, as you continue your box breathing. Allowing the chest muscles now to relax, the stomach, the shoulders, the back, the hips, the legs, all the way down through to the feet and down to the toes. Just allowing your whole body to feel as if it's wrapped up in a warm and comfortable blanket of total relaxation. And you can continue to do this for just as long as you'd like. And now begin to think about your heart. Think about your heart and imagine it as a beautiful, glowing heart, full of energy, full of love, kindness, caring, for yourself and for others. And imagine your heart glowing and beginning to send that love and energy out into your chest and all the way into the torso. Imagine that heart energy moving into the shoulders and the arms, the hands, and all the way down to the fingertips. Imagine that loving energy just moving all the way down through the hips and legs and down to the bottoms of the feet. And just allowing that love energy to expand now into the room that you're in and the building that you're in and anyone that it comes into contact with. It just spreads that love to them as well. And so that love energy continues to expand further and further, greeting more and more people, animals, plants, and objects with your love. And you can continue for just as long as you like to do this meditation. You can continue breathing deeply. Continue sending that love out to the world, the universe. And now it's time for me to say goodbye. I wish you well. I wish you happiness. I wish you peace. I wish you love. Goodbye.